The taste is really good. No clarified butter, no refined sugar, no deep frying. It's healthy and tasty. Hi everyone, and welcome back to one more video of All Lite Food. And in this video I'm going to share with you all two delicious recipes. The first one is going to be a healthy dry fruit laddu, and the second one is going to be a simple and quick almond pudding. So let's quickly make the recipes. To make the dry fruit laddu, here I have taken 4 types of nuts: the peanut, the almond, the walnuts and the cashews. The first thing I'm going to do here is dry roast the nuts in the oven, or you can also use a pan to dry roast them. Just in a baking tray, I'm going to spread all the nuts and I will put it in the oven for 15 minutes on 300 Fahrenheit. As we know that nuts are considered as superfood. They are high in protein, unsaturated fats and fiber. While almond contains around 15 grams of protein in just half a cup, the peanuts contain 19 to 20 grams of protein. Isn't it amazing? Now we'll spread the nuts on the baking tray, and there it goes in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes on 300 Fahrenheit. It's been 20 minutes now. I will take them out of the oven and let them to cool down. For this recipe, I am using the pre-roasted salted cashews, as it takes little longer to roast the cashews in comparison to other nuts. But feel free to roast some if you have the raw ones. And now I am going to add these roasted nuts into the chopper. I'll add the roasted nuts to the chopper and chop them coarsely. Now we'll take them out on a plate. And to the chopper, here I will add 220 grams or 1.5 cup of pitted dates. So the seeds are basically taken out. The dates will provide the sweetness as well as act as a binder for the laddus. Dates are super nutritious. They are filled with fibers, antioxidants and are heart healthy. I will chop the dates till they form a rough paste consistency. Once this is done, I will add the coarsely chopped nuts into this. And I will blend them till they are nicely integrated. So this is ready. I'm going to transfer this onto a plate and shape them into round balls or make the laddus. So finally the dry fruit laddus are ready and they are looking perfect. To give them a festive touch, you can just roll them over desiccated coconut or sprinkle a little bit of sesame seed on them. Now I am going to keep these laddus aside and we will make the next recipe, the almond pudding. And this is going to be very simple. To make the almond pudding, all I will need is whole milk, cornstarch to thicken the pudding, sugar or sugar substitute, whatever you prefer, the almond flour, which is the main ingredient, and a small piece of cinnamon stick. First, in a saucepan, I will take 1.5 cup of whole milk and half cup of water. You can also take 2 cups of reduced milk. To this, I will add a small stick of cinnamon to get that nice aroma of the pudding. And now I will bring this to a boil. Meanwhile, I will mix 1 tablespoon of cornstarch to 3 to 4 tablespoons of milk. The cornstarch mixture is going to thicken the pudding. Once it starts boiling, I will turn down the stove and slowly I will add the cornstarch mix. Now I will increase the stove flame and again give it a boil while stirring it continuously. Before adding the almond flour, I will take out the cinnamon stick so that the flavor is mild. Now I will add 1/3 cup of almond flour. And make sure that when you are adding the almond flour, you stir it continuously to avoid the lumps. Or you can use a hand mixer to give it a stir. And now here I am going to add 2 tablespoons of sugar substitute or stevia extract. But you can also add sugar, it will equally taste good. And now I will let it to boil for 2 to 3 minutes on medium to low heat. Make sure that the consistency of the pudding is thin. I will turn up the stove, I will let it to cool down and put it in the refrigerator. This pudding tastes great when served chilled. After cooking the pudding, I had kept it inside the refrigerator and as you can see, it has chilled and it's looking perfect. Now I'm going to serve it. Almonds are super healthy nuts. If you're interested to know the health benefits of almond, then check the video on my channel. The link will be given in the description box. Now I'm going to transfer this into small serving cups or bowls and garnish them with some fruits. This looks lovely. So finally everything is done and now it's time to taste. So first I'm going to try the laddu. The taste is really good. No clarified butter, no refined sugar, no deep frying. It's healthy and tasty. What I do is after making this laddu, I pack it in an airtight container and put it in the refrigerator. You can also keep these laddus outside for like 15 to 20 days, but it's better to keep it in the fridge. It settles down and becomes a little harder. As you can see, it's very soft and chewy now. So now I'm going to try the pudding. Amazing. Just make sure that if you're using homemade almond flour, don't grind them into fine powder, just keep them coarse, they will taste good. So that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like the recipes. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon for notifications. Comment and share the video with your loved ones. I shall see you in one more video. Till then, goodbye, take care and stay healthy. For health and food related articles, please visit my blog at www.alllitefood.com and you can also connect with me on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook.